What's up guys, what's up? Coming to you with another video. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how you can boost your credit up. But guess what, I'm going to tell you something that the credit repair company did not tell you. They're taking your money, hundreds to $1,000. Alright, I'm going to show you something that Equifax doesn't tell you. What they do, they pay you, they charge you $200 to get 3 inquiries, off your credit. $200, but they're not telling what they're doing, right? But welcome everybody. Welcome to the presentation. Okay, I'm here with MyEcon. MyEcon is a personal financial success company. All right, we have the education. We teach credit repair. Teach you how to fix your credit. Do it yourself. Credit repair kit. Right. We also teach you how to eliminate debt. Right. Minimize your taxes. We got different types of education here. We are a financial success company. Right. So let's dive in it. I'm gonna log into my back office, MyEcon. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's rock. Okay, let me load. Like I said, MyEcon is a personal financial success company. MyEcon stands for My Economy. Alright, let me log in on back office. I'm going to show you a step-by-step margin how you can fix your credit with our 750 credit plan. Now, this is something that Equifax and all the other companies do not tell you. Right? They don't tell you how they fix your credit. They don't show you the blueprint. But with MyEcon, we got education. We teach you how to fix your credit. Right? And our income shifting membership. Now let's go to the income shifting membership. And I'm also going to tell you the retail price on how to get started, but you probably want to just focus on the income shifting membership. Let's dive in it. Okay, we got the Smart Credit Repair Kit. Like I said, we teach you how to fix your credit, how to build a 750 credit, or even higher. Right? We got a lot of testimonies after this video. Just click the video below. You can watch all the testimonies. They'll teach it. They'll tell you how they were able to minimize their taxes, get an extra $800 in their paycheck monthly, weekly, right? How they eliminate debt, how they grow their credit to 750 or even higher. Our Smart Credit Repair System. Let's dive in it. Okay, let's check it out. When you join MyEcon, right, you get the income shifting membership. It's only $34.95. That's it. Now, the retail price is $100. But you get the income shifting membership, you can get it for $34.95. Very powerful. So instead of going out and paying someone hundreds of dollars to fix your credit. Yes. Now, let's check this out real quick. Okay, when you get it, you get your introduction. It explains how everything's going to work. Break it down. Right? Cash is king was once a powerful statement. But in today's digital world, credit runs the kingdom. Credit runs the kingdom. Put that in your head. You probably went to a dealership. Alright? You probably want that nice car. I don't even call it that much. But they run your credit, they deny you. We teach credit education. It's on $34.95. But I'm going to tell you something that's very powerful. And we're going to show you something that's very powerful. Alright? And on top of you fixing your credit, you can make an extra income with MyEcon and with the income shifting membership. Very lucrative. Okay, let's scroll down and show you the modules. Like I said, 750 credit plan. We're finna show you guys. We're finna dive in it. And we also got 750 credit monitoring as well. They will monitor your credit. But let me say the price again. $34.95 to get started. On top of the $34.95, you can refer your brother, your sister, your auntie, your niece. You can make you a nice commission. Alright? So let's dive in it real quick. Go to the 750 credit plan. Now, we show you guys this because you guys losing money. You paying someone $200 and they're not sure they're gonna fix your credit as well. But we teach the lesson, we teach the skill set with MyEcon. I told you, MyEcon is a personal financial success company. Alright, so here you got Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, 4, market 5, market 6, market 7. Just read what they're telling you. Okay. Another thing too. Do not take this information lightly, because this will save you a lot of money and earn you a lot of money as well. You know what residual income is? Residual income is when you have someone paying a membership and you're making money every month. Simple. You just share this information. But no, we're not going to talk about the money making. You want to learn about how to make money, just get back with me. But I just want to focus on the credit repair. Right? Our step-by-step software. I scroll down because I want to show you this right here. This is very important. At the end, they give you a summary. They sum everything up, you know what I'm saying, so you can. They sum everything up so you can understand how everything works. Right? They just sum it up. They just break it down, give you a breakdown instead of going full force with it. Okay. And like I said, the company that I work for is called My Economy. Right? And like I said, $750 credit plan. Now, it's a do-it-yourself credit plan, right? You're not going out and telling people that, you know what I'm saying, they will help your credit. It's a do-it-yourself. This educating you can learn. You can go out and go help people with their credit, help your family members with their credit, you know. But let me show you real quick. To get started, it's $34.95. Go back to my BC home. And you get started, you got a sweet deal. A wonderful deal. You can get a smart credit repair kit with ID Defender, Cash Flow Manager, Key Lodging Defense, Legal Club, and Discount Travel. You know? What I'm saying, not BS, you know. I got it, I sold the product, I made money. Now I'm here to show you guys how you can increase your credit score, right, and also generate income from it. Now let's dive in and show you the retail price. The retail price is what you get when you just go to the website and, you know, the 750 credit plan website. Boom. Let me show you real quick. Go to home. Now it's a no-brainer. $34.95 compared to $300, $400, $500, to thousands of dollars. But you learn the education yourself. Guess what, guys? Education is king as well. If you got education, no one can stop you. So let's check this out. Let me show you products. Well, I'm going to show you the credit product. and show you how much the retail price is. This if you would just want to go on the 750 credit plan website. You know what I'm saying? You just want to get it in. Now, it's $34.95 a month. But the retail price, you can get it for $100 one-time payment. But guess what? You don't have to do that. You can get it $34.95, right? And you can learn how to fix your credit in 1 month. Boom. You don't need it anymore. But if you want to make some more money with it, you want to refer people and make a nice commission, make a nice residual income, keep it. But here's the retail price. No, I'm not going to hide anything from you guys. I'm going to show you the real truth. Okay, this right here is not the My Econ, personal page. It's not the My Econ income shipping membership as well. So this is. Hold on, let me scroll down and show you guys. Sorry about that. It's raining here. Condition kind of bad. Boom. Here's the price. One-time payment of $19.95. Right. Think about this. You can get this for one-time payment of $19.95, or you can pay $34.95. You know, trust me. When you come in on one of my posts and you hit me up about a credit repair, you didn't come with a mind saying this is gonna be free. Okay, but it's $34.95 to get started, and on top of the $34.95, you can get an ROI, a return on investment. That's when you can go out and market a membership, let everybody know in your family that you got something hot, that you got something that can change their life. You know, you got the education. And buy the product, you get a commission. Simple and sweet. But before I end this video, let me show you. I just got started with My Econ, right? and I've been using the credit plan and it's been helping a lot. But let me show you the income proof that I have been making, right? And like I said, I just got started. I just got my feet wet with this company. Let's go to my reports. Let's go to my reports. I'm going to show you some income proof. After income proof, you know, I'm going to send you another testimony at the bottom of this video. Watch the testimony. Then I'm sending you the sign up button. Get started with me. Let it load, let it load. Cool website, huh? Okay, commission check history. Boom! Well over $1,000 made with this company, with this opportunity. As you can see, you can look at the numbers. Oh, this is legit. Now, I would go in my bank account and show you some bank account proof, but if you want that proof, just come to me. I'll show you that proof live. Right? So, here's the potential you can make with MyEcon just by sharing information. Just sharing information. People need this type of service. Only thing you're doing is sharing information. But my name is Dalvin. I'm out. You know, see you guys on the inside. Let's fix your credit. Peace.